What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. It is the 20th of June, heading into the end of the month here. Tuesday it is today. Markets are back open after being closed yesterday for a federal holiday. We're looking at XRP. We're looking at Bitcoin. So we're going to take a look at XRP first, and then we'll finish this video up by taking a look at Bitcoin. XRP currently down this morning 1.84%, trading at, according to Bitstamp here on a daily chart, we are at 48,325. We've had a decent move here off the most recent sell-off. That would be a 6% move to where we're currently at, and then about a 9% move to the most recent high. It looks like the pullback found some support at this neckline here, which broke out, did a big back test on the 16th of June, so just a couple days ago. I want to talk about something here, two things actually. XRP, I put up a video by Brad Garlinghouse, and he talked about the emails, he talked about the SEC case, he also talked about the case coming to an end. We don't know when that will be. You know, he said weeks. So far, it's been probably a month, if not more. So who knows when that will actually, conclude and be behind us. Something's happening here with XRP. We could be right now setting up a higher low. It doesn't mean it'll be today or tomorrow, but there's a chance that this is a higher low, and what will be to follow should be a higher high, and it could be a very strong move to the upside, allowing this thing to finally break out past 55 cents. It's been major resistance for a while now. Over a year, it's been tested, 5-6 times or so. Right here, XRP printed a higher low. So we had the sell-off. We had essentially was a higher high, but it was basically like an equal high, and we pulled back. And when these markets pull back like this into that higher low, if you can see that and catch that move to follow, usually a higher high and a strong leg to the upside, that is a very nice breakout trade. So let's take a look at what's going on currently. So we have this sell-off here, which found support at 45,546 as well as 46,039. We have a move up, still a lower high, so we're still in that downtrend. What we're looking for is somewhere in here. We don't really know where. So far, it's not quite down to 48, but we're close. Somewhere in here, we're looking for that higher low to take place. And that move that could potentially come, if this is a higher low being printed, can be very, very strong and lead to a vicious short covering rally. So we'll see if that takes place. We're in the early stages, potentially. Right now, we have a higher low. We're looking for some support to step up here and show up in the chart. And that is that. Usually it'll be something like, this is a good scenario here. Something with a couple candle wicks, maybe even a nice green bar closing up on the day. So just keep your eye for that. For a sell-off to start to look like it's getting some support, like I said, maybe a nice big candle wick, even an up day. And that could be an early warning sign that this thing's getting ready to break out and rally to the upside. I have a upper target for XRP based on some recent consolidation. So if we get that leg higher, if we print a higher low within the next couple days, I don't think we'll get there in one day, but we could, of course, on some positive news from the SEC, we could easily get there. 62 to 63 cents is a very conservative and assuming we can get above and stay above 55, which has been major resistance. You can see right here and these 2 days over here, 62 to 63 cents without a doubt should easily be able to be hit on a solid breakout above 55. I also have the 68 to 69 as well, but for starters, we'll start with this 62 to 63 cents. And from where we're currently at, that's about a 33% move, guys. I want to show you the resistance here. So we have what was major support, basically at that 55-cent level, flipped, and now is acting as resistance. The price is holding up pretty well so far. If Bitcoin gets crushed, obviously I don't see XRP decoupling and moving higher. That'll probably take the XRP price down. XRP is knocking on 55, knocking on the door 55 cents many times now, going all the way back to SEP of 2022. So we're bullish on this thing. We're keeping an eye on Bitcoin. But like I said, hopefully we get that nice breakout, but we'll have to see. 62 to 63 cents. And keep your eyes on that level of, or that indicator of a higher low here. Might take a couple more days to play out. Doesn't have to, but it might. And that is that. So we'll see here. So far, the sell-off has found nice support. Let's take a look at Bitcoin, guys. Let me know your XRP price target in the comments as well. BTC. So Bitcoin sold off below the 25.7, 25.7, 26 level. Found support at 25,000, which is these highs over here, and started to move higher. We'll see if it can hold. If Bitcoin starts to move a little bit higher, we could be in the early stages of a big rally, probably taking us back above the $30,000 mark. So we're watching Bitcoin. It's getting some reversal. It's getting some resistance. As you can tell, it's backing away. Looks like we hit a high at 27,173. See how far it goes. It does have a little bit more work to do, but it's starting to look, a little earlier than XRP in the early stages here of another big rally. Basically, you have a big wedge here as well that could break to the upside. That is if the support can hold at the 26, 23, 25, 760 levels, which are these lines right here on the chart. So keep your eye on those, and then keep your eye for XRP being a little sneaky and potentially printing a higher low and getting ready for that next higher high, which can be a very strong leg, guys, and could easily take us above 55. If we start to trade back down in here and test these lows again, well, then we have to, reevaluate. Probably some new lows coming in, maybe a double bottom, maybe an undercut to 44,920, and then we'll reestablish again and wait for that next move to move higher. So that's the way I'm looking at XRP right now from the bullish stance, but keep your minds open to either scenario playing out. We'll see what happens here with all of this legal stuff, taking its time, 2 years plus. Guys, thanks for watching. Have a good one. XRP currently down 1.6, Bitcoin down 0.23. XRP is at 48,425. BTC is at 26,774. Waiting for that big break above 55 cents for XRP. This thing's teetering in the middle here of a positive news for the settlement is going to take the price and skyrocket it. Negative news, we could see a very large move to the downside for XRP. Although maybe temporary, but it's definitely a possibility. All right, guys, take care.